Here's how to change your clock icon on the iPhone home screen. Now you'll be able to see I'm on my iPhone and here's the clock. I can tap on it, open up the alarm clock, etc. But let's say I'm bored with that format. I can change the look and feel of it. The first option you have is to press and hold on the clock. And you can see create alarm, but above it are little icons. You can see it's selected on this top left, but I'm going to choose the one next to it. You can see instead of the normal clock, now it is a digital clock and it makes it bigger. So that's your first option. And to revert back, again, you can press and hold and tap on the icon at the top left. But let's say you wanted a different one, maybe with multiple cities or more information. You can do that by pressing and holding somewhere on your iPhone screen that there is not an app, say towards the bottom. Now, if you don't have any room, you can also press on an app and then hit Edit Home Screen. After we've done that, let's tap the Edit button at the top left and then just choose Add Widget. You'll be able to see lots of different widgets on here, including various clocks. So let's scroll down until we find clock on this list. And now here's the digital clock we just added, but you can swipe over to clock 1, clock 2, clock 3, clock city digital, and then a bunch of other ones, even world clocks. So the last one, I can hit add widget. And at the very top, I can have various time zones. Maybe you have kids in different areas or relative in different time zones. You can have the clocks associated with all of those. You can always just tap on that little minus button to remove it if you don't like it anymore. Or you can always just tap on it and it'll bring you into the world clock. Just tap on the plus at the top right to add various cities that you select and want to be in that world clock.